VP Sara could have won that presidency if she had run for the presidency. Now, now in the previous NIDW, marami na akong sinabi patungkol dito, but basically, he has instructed the House of Representatives to not file impeachment complaints against VP Duterte with that mindless slogan na hindi ito magpapaganda sa buhay ng tao. She is unimportant. She is not worth our time. That never mind her when in reality, gusto mong kaya, I guess siguro, nakipagsabuatan ka siguro ngayon, or if not, you had this same cause with the Makabayan Bloc. But, I'm not knocking you for pushing for the impeachment of Sara Duterte, but, whatever. Now, the first impeachment complaint against VP Sara Duterte na inihain sa Kamara was endorsed by Akbayan Party List Representative Percival Sandania na may 24 na artikulo o rasyonale ng impeachment complaint. Isa sa mga complainants at spokespersons ng mga naghain ng impeachment complaint ay si Attorney Laila de Lima, pamangkin ni dating Pangulong Aquino, mga pari at I think isang Magdalo representative, but anyway. The funny thing here, though, is the fact na 9 araw na lang ang natitirang araw sa sesyon ng Kamara na matatapos nitong December 18 at babalik ng sesyon sa January 13. Matatenga lang ang impeachment complaint na ito kasi matatapos na ang 19th Congress sa February. The impeachment complaint won't be heard ever again. I think, I'm not sure. Sinasabing, kung hindi ngayon, kailan? Well,